Hey there, this is David from Website Planet. In this video, we are going to be diving into how to create a great prompt inside of Replit. I'm going to be going over their improved prompt feature and how to use it so you could get a website that you love. If you want the complete step-by-step guide that covers everything for vibe coding a website, check out the full resource in the link down below. For now, let's get started. Now, this feature is one of my favorite tools with vibe coding. All you'll need to do is type in a very high level idea of what you want to build. So in this case, I want to build a fitness and nutrition website. So this is one of my favorite features in Replit. All you need to do is give it the core idea of what you want to build, and it will be able to create a full prompt for you. In this case, I am just going to type out fitness and nutrition website to promote my services. And yes, you could add more if you have fonts, colors, and the pages you want already defined. But in this case, I'm going to keep it as simple as possible to show you what it does. And now I am going to hit improve prompt. Now, within just a few seconds, it was able to create a full prompt for me with a style guide, visual references, core features, and a purpose statement for the website. Let's go through it to make sure it is in line with what we want. So at the top, it says here a statement that I really feel is in line with what we want. Professional fitness and nutrition website, showcasing and promoting your personal training and nutritional counseling services to potential clients. Awesome. Now, when it comes to core features, it says service overview page highlighting your fitness and nutrition offerings, about section showcasing your credentials and experience, contact form, testimonials. This is great. The only thing I would tweak here for a website is I would list out the exact pages I do want. So on my keyboard, I will press down Shift and then Enter or Return so that I get a new line. If I hit Enter, it'll start the chat and then we will start building. But in this case, I just want to edit the prompt. I will type in a dash and then here I will say pages for the website, home, about, boom, just like that, I have 5 pages: homepage, about page, testimonial page, services, and contact. Now, I do recommend using a contact form from a different tool so that you have way more control of adding or removing fields and managing the back end of it. So for instance, you could use Tally to create a form for free and then just embed it onto the site. In this case, it says a contact form. But I would then tell it I want the contact form to be embedded and that I would provide the embed code. Now let's take a look at the visual reference and style guide. You could see that it has pulled 2 websites that it wants to pull inspiration from. I could go take a look at these, or I may have some sites that I already feel inspired by that I would love to emulate that I could then drop in here as a reference. The agent does have access to the internet, so you don't have to put the URL. You could, but as you can see here, it just says inspired by Precision Nutrition, and it will go look that up to get a feel of the site for you. Down here, you're going to be able to see colors and fonts. When it comes to colors, you'll see it has chosen a vibrant green. So let's say you want to change a color. Let's say instead of this vibrant green, I just want the blue. And so in this case, I will do vibrant blue. And then I will just actually copy this and paste it here. If you have a color that you love, you could use that as well. In this case, I'm just going to keep it at that. I don't really need a secondary color and an accent. It's kind of a lot in my opinion. It's nice that it offers it, but really we just need a core color, a key color for the background, text, a light gray to help separate sections is more than enough to start. If you need help finding colors, there's a tool called Coolers that you can use and find the right hex code, that's this value here, for any color that you love. Down here, you could add in the fonts that you want. Now, this is a conversational AI, and so it can understand everything from a general idea all the way to specifics. So for example, for colors, you could just say, I really want a vibrant blue, and that would be enough. Or you could say specifically, I want this specific color or this specific font, and it will go find it for you. And as you can see here, this is a great starting point for us to really build a beautiful website. Now, some bonus tips as you are building this initial prompt, you do see here there's this auto theme. So there are a few themes already built out that you can use. In our case, what we have for the visual reference and style guide is more than enough. And finally, you don't necessarily need to check any of these off. The only thing I would consider is I would consider adding in a do not build list. We have one on the website linked down below, which will basically tell the AI agent not to add in certain features that you may not want. Now, it may want to build additional features like user login, e-commerce functionality, or a blog that you don't necessarily need to get started. It is useful to have that list added here so that it knows what to focus on and what not to focus on. As you can see, I just copy and pasted what we have provided on the website for all the things I do not want the agent to build. And just like that, your prompt is ready to go. You can start building. Now, this video is just scratching the surface. Our complete vibe coding guide walks you through everything from your very first prompt all the way to deploying a fully professional site. We cover all the essentials like prompting strategies, troubleshooting tips, advanced customizations, and domain setup. You can access the full guide by using that first link down in the description. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.